operations is very important. Even if your head works like a calculator and you know everything, you know calculations, but the order in which you calculate the different parts of an expression is wrong, you're not going to get the wrong answer. Sorry, you're not going to get the right answer. There is an abbreviation that is supposed to help us to understand what should come after what. First rule, the abbreviation itself is BODMAS, B-O-D-M-A-S. First things first, brackets must be calculated first in any expression. Brackets come first, B. Then O is interpreted differently in different books. It can be others or it can be other. However, by the rule of deduction, you can look at the expression and see if it's not brackets, if it's not division, multiplication, addition, or subtraction, then it's other. It can be 2 power of 2, it can be any other thing, or 2 root of 2, then root is other. Anything that is not bracket, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. DM stands for division and multiplication. To be honest, they can be done in any order, division and multiplication. They carry the same weight, sort of. First we have brackets, then other, and then division and multiplication. And the very least, the last in the line, something that has the least power, is addition and subtraction. Whenever you see addition and subtraction in the equation, if it's not within the brackets, of course, then it comes very last. And it doesn't matter whether it's addition or subtraction. It's easier to do addition first before subtraction, but in any case, you will get the same answer anyway. Let's do a couple of examples to understand how it works, from easier examples to harder ones. 18 minus 3 multiplied by 4. Let's look at BODMAS. Do we have brackets here? No. Do we have other? Well, we have subtraction, we have multiplication. We don't have other. Do we have division or multiplication? We do. Then that would be the first thing that we first calculate. Then do we have addition or subtraction? We do. Then that would be the second thing, which would equal 18, remains as is, minus, we do this calculation first, 3 multiplied by 4, 12. Then we do the subtraction second, 18 minus 12 equals 6. Next, 30 divided by brackets 15 minus 5. Then we check based on the BODMAS. Do we have brackets? Yes, we do have brackets. Even if it's subtraction, which comes at the end, we still have brackets, which comes first. First we do 15 minus 5. Then we check, do we have other here? No. Do we have division? Yes, we do have division, which will be the second order of operation. And that's all that we have. 15 minus 5 equals 10. It gives us 30 divided by 10, which equals 3. Next, 11 minus 2 multiplied by 5. Multiplication. What do we have? Subtraction and multiplication. Looking at the BODMAS, we can see that multiplication comes before subtraction, meaning that we do the multiplication first and subtraction second. 11 minus 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10, equals 1. Next, 35 divided by 5 plus 2. Well, let's look at BODMAS. What do we have? Division. What else do we have? Addition. Division comes first before the addition, which would mean that we do the division first and addition next. 35 divided by 5 equals 7, and 7 adding 2 equals 9. Correct? Next, here we have 18 minus 10 divided by 2. We have the subtraction and we have the division. Looking at the BODMAS, division comes first. That's why we do the division first and then subtraction comes next. We do subtraction second, which would equal 18 minus 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 18 minus 5 equals 13. That's a hard example. Let's finish the easier examples first and then move on to the harder one. Here we have more brackets, okay? And by the rule of thumb, brackets in BODMAS always come first. Meaning that 3 multiplied brackets 4 plus 10. That's an addition, but it's a bracket, then we do this first. And then we have the multiplication, which comes second. 4 plus 10 equals 14. 3 multiplied by 14 equals 1. Let's calculate. 3 multiplied by 4, 2. 3 multiplied by 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 42. Next, we have bracket and we have the division. Brackets always come first and division comes after brackets according to BODMAS. Okay? Then 56 divided 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. Next, we have bracket first and second we have multiplication. Brackets come first, multiplication comes next. Equals 5 minus 2 is 3, which gives us 3 multiplied by 3, which gives us 9. Next, we have brackets and we have the addition. Bracket comes first, addition comes second. 48 divided by 8 is 6, which gives us 4 plus 6, which is 10. Now, when we go to the expressions where we have bottom and top, the division of two expressions, we need to treat, in terms of the order of operations, we need to treat bottom and top separately and do the division at the very last stage. Okay? To show it on the examples, let's look at this one first. 16 divided by 4 multiplied 5 minus 3. Remember, we're looking at these two expressions separately. There is no expression on the top, it's just number 16. Then we have at the bottom, we have an expression with bracket and multiplication. Brackets come first, multiplication comes next. Okay? Then first we have brackets and second we have multiplication. 16, let me make it smaller so that I can fit it in. 16 divided by 4, 5 minus 3, how much does it make? 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 16 divided by 8, the last bit that we do, actually it will be prudent to show it here. So the last bit, the number 3, is 16 divided by the result of this expression. 16 divided by 8 gives us 2. Next, we've got expressions on the top and at the bottom. We first do the top, then we do the bottom. Remember, don't get confused here. We do have division and addition, it's true. However, we treat them separately. And then at the last stage, we divide it. It doesn't mean that we need to do a division first, not necessarily. We do top and bottom separately, and then at the third instance, we do the division. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Next, we've got multiplication comes first, the top. Then at the bottom, we look at the bottom, we have brackets and division. Brackets come first, division comes next. Brackets is 1, division is 2. So, we do the top and the 1, 2, 3, 4 would be the division of the top to bottom. 3 multiplied by 3 would be 9. 12 minus 5 is 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay? Next. 12 divided, we have two expressions, top and bottom. First, we do the top. We have brackets and division. Bracket comes first, division comes second. Then we do the bottom. In the bottom we have only division. Then logically we do the division. And at the last bit, number 4, we divide top to bottom. What do we have here? 9 minus 5 equals 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 3, when we divide 3 by 5, it doesn't give us whole number. So we can leave it as fraction, or we can leave it in decimals, which would be 0.6. 3 multiplied by 5. Right, so we do top first, 3 multiplied by 5 would be first, and then we do bottom next. At the bottom, we have brackets, come first, then we have the division, which comes after the bracket. We have bracket, and we have the division. And at the last stage, we do the division of top to bottom. 3 multiplied by 5 would be 15. 12 minus 5 would be 7. 21 divided by 7 would be 3. And 15 divided by 3 would be 5. Last one, we have the top, in which we have bracket. Okay? Bracket we do first, then we have the division. Division we do next. Here, we don't have a bracket. So we have a subtraction and we have division. Let's see. Division comes before the subtraction in BODMAS, which means we need to do the division first and then we do the subtraction. And then we divide them at the last stage. Right, let's see what we get. 11 minus 2 is 9. 36 divided by 9 gives us 4. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. 8 minus 4 gives us 4. 4 divided by 4, when we divide the number by itself, we get 1.